and welcome back to my channel. So today it's currently 11:43 right now, and because of quarantine I've been sleeping at around 6 a.m. every day in the morning, and it's not something I like doing. It's something that I have not been able to change, and I don't want to change that, to be honest. I have like a great time just staying up all night. So since today is another day during quarantine, which I don't know when ends, it is 11:43 p.m. My room is super messy right now, but I don't care. Start with is making that weird coffee that everyone's been making. I don't know how to make that, so Snapchat notification. So we're gonna go into, let's watch like YouTube tutorials. We've successfully reached the kitchen. I'm gonna like look up the tutorial once again on my phone. Such a bad angle. Oh, you guys need like something to stand on. The first thing that I need is a cup. We have a bowl. We have secured a bowl. Then what we need is instant coffee. As a coffee addict, as a recovering coffee addict, I always have a good supply of coffee. We always have coffee. Even though, like, except me, no one drinks coffee at my place. So yeah. So I'm gonna tell you guys the story of my caffeine/coffee addiction. I'm gonna put in this much. So I used to be so addicted to caffeine, like 2 cups of coffee a day. Then what I decided was that I don't want to drink coffee anymore, because if I didn't drink coffee a day, then I would like get headaches, and I was like pretty addicted. But then I overcame that pretty soon. As soon as my exams ended, I haven't had a cup of coffee ever since. It's not like a really bad addiction, it's just that it needs to be in check. Guys, so I added the sugar in the coffee. I don't have caster sugar or like powdered sugar, so I guess plain normal sugar is gonna do. I'm seeing what to do next. Expectation versus reality. This is going bad. When people say bad, I feel like I might have to like waste this food. I just realized I'm not sure that there is any milk left. Oh, it's going so bad. It's going so bad. So here's what I'm gonna do. I have like an ice tray, and I'm gonna fill this with like this dalgona coffee thing that I tried to make, so that when I make coffee tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I can actually like use it for iced coffee, not wasting anything. This like still smells so good. That was such a fail. I'm going to cry. That was such a fail. I have like an idea of things what we can do tonight. The first one was make coffee in the kitchen. I have like fun activities planned for today. We're gonna have fun. This is gonna work out. Why does my hair look brown? Okay, so we're gonna have fun and we're gonna make TikToks. Quick interval, I just realized how messy my room is and how I've been making this video on a pile of clothes. Wow. A mess. The room is a mess. Shoes everywhere. I don't know. It's a mess. It's a mess. Let's just say it's a freaking mess. Gonna clean my room, gonna take a break, gonna drink some water, and then we're gonna make some TikToks right now. Because we cool, okay? Oh my god, I'm being so cringy in this video. We're gonna make some TikToks and clean my room right now. Okay guys, so I kind of cleaned my room, but not really. There are at least no clothes on my bed right now. I'm gonna film TikToks right now. There's like this one TikTok dance that I've been like trying to learn, and I think I got it. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna make the room a little more aesthetic. Making the room aesthetic, and then we put on fairy lights. And for the lighting, I used my study lamp so that gives my face the bright look. Okay, I want to make TikToks right now, and they're just like so super fun to make. I know everyone kind of hates TikTok right now, but I don't know, they're just like fun. So we're gonna make TikToks. No one's gonna complain because we're just gonna have a good time making them. Okay, timer 3 seconds. Get the steps right once, and then we're gonna do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Captain, 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 okay. I go shopping, want it, then I'm popping. Hey, yeah, what's poppin'? I do it, na. Look, he's a sweetie. Kiss it, then I eat it. Okay. So I have like a ton of makeup on my face, and I'm gonna show you guys how I remove my makeup, how I do my skincare, and what I've been doing for skincare right now. So yeah, let's remove the makeup right now. So it's 4 a.m. I'm in my bathroom, and this is how most horror movies climax, but it is okay. So the first step to actually doing your skincare is the headband. And then I take like a wet wipe. I don't know, smells pretty normal to be honest. I don't like the smell a lot. It smells good. I don't think I have like a lot of makeup on my face left. Mainly because I did it like 12 hours ago. So it's like not a lot, but still some amount of it. Okay guys, so the next thing that I'm going to talk about is actually Mama Earth. Now you guys always ask me why I work with Mama Earth so much. And you guys know how I don't do a lot of sponsorships. And the reason why I only work with Mama Earth is because I fully believe in their products. It's something that my mom and I, both of us, use on a regular basis. So that is the reason why I work with Mama Earth. And I want to introduce you guys to all the good products. Recently these guys launched their face scrubs, and I'm a big fan of scrubs, guys. Scrubs remove dead cells and everything. So they have the Octan face scrub. This is for tan removal, and I am so pale already. I don't think I need a tan removal, so I'm not going to use this one probably. I'm going to use the charcoal face scrub. So I'm going to do the scrub rub challenge, which is basically like putting the face scrub on like one side of my face, and then I'm going to show you guys the difference between both sides of my face so that you guys know for sure that this does something. I picked this side of my face because this side has like more whiteheads and blackheads. So if this clears up my whiteheads at this area of my face, I'm gonna be like so happy because that's a big problem for me. So this is my face before, like with the scrub side. This is like the scrub side. If you guys look over here, like just my forehead, you guys are gonna see that this part is a lot smoother, and on the other side this part is like a lot, I don't know, you're gonna see like spots over here. With this side you're gonna see a lot of acne. With this side I feel like it has like really helped with the scars. On this side of my face I feel a lot of whiteheads, but on this side of my face I do not feel the whiteheads, so it definitely got rid of the whiteheads for me. Keep doing this every week, 2 times a week. That's how scrubs usually work, but this one showed me like really quick results. I have acne, so charcoal really helps with acne. They are available on Nykaa, Amazon and Mama Earth. You guys can get them. You can use the code Zoya20 for 20% off. As usual, I got you guys with the code. This one is for exfoliation and this one is for tan removal. All Mama Earth products are chemically free and made up of natural ingredients. They are a plastic positive brand and they actually recycle more plastic than they use. And you guys know how much we love sustainability. The brand is now officially certified from PETA and they are cruelty free. So if you guys want to try the scrub rub challenge, get one of those masks. apply the scrub on one side of your face and tag me and Mama Earth on your Instagram stories or any social media platform. I'm on every social media platform, so you guys can definitely do that. Use the hashtag #ScrubRubChallenge, and I'm gonna talk to you guys on social media then, and then we guys can have a conversation about the scrubs. Okay, I love doing skincare at midnight. That's my new thing. To be honest though, I tried out the scrubs the day they came in my mail because I was so excited to try them. I use a lot of Mama Earth products on a daily basis. If you guys are new to skincare, if you guys want to try skincare, Mama Earth is amazing. Try Mama Earth. Oh my god, there's so much TikTok in my head. I'm just gonna do omegle. I want good content. We want good content. Guys, so basically you guys don't know what omegle is. It's basically omegle or omegle. You go on there and then they pair you with someone that is random, but you guys can select your interests. I'm gonna select my interest as TikTok, YouTube, and Gilmore Girls. I usually don't find people for Gilmore Girls, but if I'm lucky, I might be able to. Hi, how are you?
Hello, how are you today? I'm alright, yeah? You're right, you know, because I'm alright.
I don't know what to say.
Huh? What do you want?
Huh? Hi.
Hi.
Who was your favorite Friends character?
Friends character?
Favorite? Rachel? Oh, me too.
Hi.
Hi.
I have to do my homework, but I don't want to. What should I do?
Don't do it.
Thanks.
Cute people skip me. Hi.
Can you do this? Yo, that's what's up. You can do it.
Yep.
I'm gonna do like an accent sort of.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do like a collab with my homie tonight, so I need it to be spot on. Right, 1 out of 10. It's gonna be Russian. Is your favorite color yellow? You see, we are here in Russia. We drink vodka instead of whiskey. You see, in America, it's whiskey is for Americans. You see, whiskey. Donald Trump, he be like, "Hey, Brock, come over here. We gotta drink some whiskey, dude. Come on."
That is so good. Oh my god, you're amazing.
Do not roll over. I swear, if you roll over, come on.
Aww. He's so cute. Oh my god. So guys, right now I'm watching. Wait, can you guys see me? Hey guys. So right now I'm watching The Devil Wears Prada, which is a movie that I've been like trying to see here and there for a few days, but I haven't been able to complete it. So I think I have like 17 minutes left and I'm gonna watch this movie right now. Right now. Okay. So yeah, my hair is all curled up. I changed a little because I kind of showered. It was like 5 a.m. I wanted to shower. It was like a quick 5-minute shower, and then I blew dry my hair so I can sleep right now. So basically what I wanted to talk to you guys was about just opening up, talking to you guys about different stuff. I've been doing a lot of Instagram lives recently, and I've been talking about this a lot. But what it is basically is that when you're alone in quarantine with all your thoughts, it can be really hard for you to think of positive things when you don't have stuff like school and homework and going outside and that kind of stuff preoccupying you. With me, I think it goes more towards how I look physically. When I have like school and I swim, I go to school, I go out on weekends, I wait for the weekend. I have so much to think about. I have tests coming up. but right now I have absolutely nothing to think about, so I automatically think about my physical appearance, how I don't have the perfect body, or how my skin is really, really bad, or just stuff like that. And I know it can be really hard for a lot of you guys, so we all can be a little insecure at times, and I think it is okay to feel a little insecure. I think it is okay to be a little vulnerable. I don't know, whenever I'm feeling a little down, I just like to listen to some music, read, talk to my friends. That helps a lot. Watch something on Netflix. I don't know, this stuff really helps. So yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to share this with you guys, and end this video on a positive note, saying that whatever it is going on right now, quarantine, coronavirus, whatever is bothering you, it's going to get better really, really soon. You just need to hold on for a little while, have a little more hope, and trust me, it does get better in the end. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I try to post every Thursday. This video is definitely not going up on Thursday, so yeah, I'm sorry. I'm kind of like a little late on the uploads, but it's okay, I'm gonna be caught up really soon. So yeah, it's actually around 5:11 a.m. right now. I'm going to sleep right now. I'm gonna listen to some music, I'm gonna put some music into my ears, and then I'm going to sleep. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in another video. Bye guys.